Most people think they need willpower to change their life. But what if all you needed was 2 minutes a day? This tiny habit rewires your brain in just 2 minutes a day. Ben dreaded the same routine every day. Make the bed, answer emails, wipe the counter. It felt like a pointless loop. But then he changed one thing. He added a small reward. Suddenly, the task sparked pleasure. And one day, Ben realized he no longer avoided it. He was doing it automatically. The brain repeats what feels good, not what feels right. So Ben linked boring tasks to tiny rewards. Lo-fi music while cleaning, chocolate after emails, one YouTube video after folding laundry. These weren't bribes, they were dopamine anchors. Ben's brain stopped resisting. And the habits, they started to stick. Emma wasn't lazy, her brain just needed a reason. Every time she linked a boring task with a reward, her brain released dopamine. That dopamine said, "This feels good, do it again." And like clockwork, the habit started sticking. This is how the brain learns, not through pressure, but through pleasure. Emma didn't wait to feel motivated. She tricked her brain, a 30-second timer before starting, her favorite mug when doing paperwork, a silly dance after a chore. Each tiny reward built a mental yes loop. Her brain learned, boring equals win, and the more she repeated it, the more natural it felt. Emma's brain didn't change overnight, but day by day, her little loops got stronger. What once felt like a chore became automatic. Folded laundry, dopamine. Inbox, win. She no longer needed rewards. Her brain was rewarding her through habit. And that's how real change begins. Quietly, consistently, and from within. Tom tried to push through with willpower. He set big goals, strict schedules, and zero tolerance. It worked for 3 days. Then he crashed. The problem? His brain wasn't wired for pressure. It was wired for reward. While Emma made progress with joy, Tom burned out chasing perfection. Emma no longer needed music, timers, or chocolate. Her brain had recoded the tasks. Clean equals calm, inbox equals clarity. The resistance faded. What once needed tricks now felt like second nature. That's the magic of habit systems. They start with dopamine and end with identity. Emma didn't become more disciplined. She became someone who does boring things without thinking. No hacks, no hustle, just a system built on tiny wins and dopamine loops. Her brain didn't resist anymore. It cooperated. And that's the goal. Not forcing action, but becoming the kind of person who follows through. Your brain doesn't care about perfect plans. It craves reward, repetition, and identity. Start small, attach pleasure to boring tasks, and repeat until your brain says, "This is just who I am now." If this helped, subscribe to Better Habits Lab. Every week, we drop science-backed habits you'll actually stick